Hi, and welcome to Superior Nursing. We're excited to have you on our team. This is a quick tutorial on how to navigate your Google Classroom. You will be receiving a separate email with a class invitation welcoming you to our modules. Within the email, there will be a join icon. Go ahead and click join. This will bring you to our Google Classroom where you will find all of the classwork materials, modules, onboarding, and so on. At the top, you'll see three icons: Stream, Classwork, and People. Click on Classwork. Each block will have a separate section for different materials. So the first one is your nurse onboarding. Your second one is modules. Your third is resources. And your fourth will be forms and templates. If we scroll back up to the top to nurse onboarding, we would like for you to start here. Go ahead and click on each individual section under onboarding. Most importantly is your employee handbook in this section. Go ahead and click on Employee Handbook. A drop-down will open and it will read your employee handbook. Within this section, you will have to click on this icon where it says Employee Handbook, and it will download your employee handbook in its entirety. When you have done reading it and understanding the employee handbook, we would like you to view the question at the bottom. Click on View Question. Here you will electrically sign off that you are understanding the employee handbook. Go ahead and type your name, first and last, and click on Turn In. This section right here will say Turn In. And then you're done. Go ahead and click on X at the top to exit out. Okay. You can go ahead and press the back arrow to go back to your classwork. If you scroll down to modules, you will see the blood-borne pathogen quiz. Go ahead and click on blood-borne pathogen quiz. Here you'll be able to read the material in Google Docs by clicking on this icon, and it will open up the documentation and information on materials on how to answer the quiz. So go ahead and read that first. After you're done reading the Google Doc, go ahead and click on Forms. This form will show you all of the questions related to the material that was read prior. If you scroll all the way down after the quiz, there'll be a section where you would submit the quiz. Go ahead and minimize this box by clicking on Blood-borne pathogen quiz. Within this modules, you will see all of your documentation expectations, the IV types, med preparation, medication training, pump tutorials, clinical, how to access support. There's also videos on how to access certain ports. If you ever have troubleshooting, like I can't get an IV access, this is a great section for resourcing. If you click on this Google Docs, it will show you what the expectation is as far as what to expect and what to do in an instance where you are having trouble getting IV access. Go ahead and minimize this. Once you're all done reading through the modules and your onboarding, at the bottom of this section which it says modules, there's a sign off the e-learning. This is basically understanding your nurse competencies, and you want to submit this before your first assignment. You can submit this by clicking on this box here and then clicking on Turned In. Go ahead and close this box. Our resource section gives us information on our standards of practice. This is another resource, which is our drip rate factors. Some of our patients require gravity infusions, and you'll have to know your drip factor in order to provide the most accurate rate. Pre-infusion checklist. This is a great resource. It'll give you a list on how to easily use the checklist that prepares you to meet the patients to ensure a smooth therapy, both you and your patient. And that is a great resource to have with every patient that you come encounter with. All right. Forms and tests. If you ever have a needle stick, go ahead and fill out the form with the needle stick. This is your incident report. And we do have bonuses for our nurses that do refer out other nurses to us. Please click on the bonus form. It'll give you all of the requirements for that nurse to complete prior to you getting that bonus. If you have any questions, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please go through the entire classroom, all the modules, all the onboarding. Please make sure you download all of the applications that are required to complete your visit. If you have any questions, please contact HR at HRSuperiorNursingPLLC.com. So that's HR at SuperiorNursingPLLC.com. Thank you so much.